valve body changing day. Got the bullet. We're over here at my buddy Solomon's Hangman Performance, and we're gonna get this valve body replaced today. My buddy Josh is here. He's gonna help us do that because we have no idea what we're doing. Let's get this thing unloaded, get it on a rack, and start getting to work. Josh, say hi to the YouTube people over there. He's gonna help us out by replacing this valve body. Finally getting rid of this first gear, start leaving in second gear. With that being said, this valve body, in order to go into reverse, you actually don't use reverse. You put it in reverse and you use trans brake button to back up. So it's very race car-ish. That was Texas 2K prep.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
Was it?
You weren't there. You were there. Remember?
I didn't think you had to put this all on there though.
Yeah.
I thought it was just a solenoid.
No, it was yeah, well, it was leaking through the solenoid, but it was also leaking a little bit here.
Oh shit.
So I went ahead and just globbed it on there, and the fittings. Remember?
Oh, I remember the fittings, but I don't remember this. Yeah.
The fittings were, I guess, old.
It happens.
So.
See that temp sensor is getting put to good use.
I have the wire up here. No, I got the wire. I got the wire right here. I just haven't hooked it up yet. But that's what I was doing today, this morning. I was wiring everything up.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You added what, a coolant pressure sensor too, right?
Yeah. I got a coolant pressure sensor.
What you have to put in the
pressure.
Make sure you don't start pushing.
DSS.
Start pushing down.
DSS.
Yeah, you know what you can finally do with this? Boost by speed instead of fucking.
By speed?
Yeah. A mile an hour?
Traction control.
Yeah, that's true too.
The thing that sucks is they don't build a billet brake in a second lever.
Oh, they don't?
FTI doesn't.
No.
Yeah, it's an iron. It's an
Iron.
iron.
I feel like I'm downgrading.
We had issues with that.
He said probably.
Yeah, probably.
Like what?
It feels like he's that. I'm like, yeah, probably.
Oh, so you just unbolted and bolted back in?
Whoa.
Whoa, yeah. I'm about to
There's an art.
There's an art to it. Here's a rare sneak peek at the Bullet W6 undercarriage. As you can see, it's fairly clean, even though I did go over just now. But there aren't any major leaks. There's a couple small little things here that we have to address, but nothing too heavy. Relocated oil filters, you can see there on Turbo 400. This is my Turbo 400 drain catch can. Transmission lines that go to the cooler. The cooler is now in the ice box. I don't know if you guys know that. I relocated the trans cooler into the air to water tank. Got my Midwest chassis Fab 9 with the new gears in it. Dual Magna Fuel 750s. Fuel pump. Coilover setup, etc., etc.
Why'd you bring your laptop?
Because I added all these new sensors.
I'm not gonna lie to you, that I probably can't help you with.
And I don't know how to make them work.
It'll be a journey then, together.
Speaking of street car, I've been trying to get this man over here to please, if you can, in the comments, help me get this man over to Amarillo and race in the street car class.
You got a trans
You
brake
literally, I know, and you got a chance break now.
trans brake.
You literally fit all the rules for the street class. You just don't want to race. I think that's it.
How's the shutdown on that truck?
I mean, it's only 8 miles, so it's plenty of shutdown. So,
True.
what's the real excuse?
For what? It is fucking far. I'm used to it by now. You no surprises from Juan anymore. Not after he just shows up to the shop one day. It's like, hey, you're racing sketchy. I was like, oh, what? Oh, yeah, but I talked to him before. You're like, okay. I don't even remember that. But okay, Juan, whatever you say. Oh,
You're right.
ET Pros.
Radio Pro.
Radio Pro.
A street
still a
tire.
radio.
Do you see any beadlocks on this? Yeah, it's a
Do
street
you
car.
mark it or no?
It's a street car.
So just because, so anything with beadlocks is not street car?
Definitely not a street car.
I got me locked.
It's race car. Race car.
I wonder whose car's more street, Josh's or yours? I think Josh's. You got a full front glass, right?
I have a real windshield.
I got a windshield too.
Go knock on that windshield. It's plastic.
Yeah.
Go knock on that windshield.
What else?
Rear window. Lexus.
No, I got glass.
Glass?
I got glass. Don't start.
Yeah, I know you got glass.
Air to air intercooler. Air to air. Air to water instantly makes it a race car.
Why?
More than air, right?
I got the original key.
He's like, I got it. He's like,
Does it start the car?
It opens the door.
Does it? Does it go to Whataburger, get apple pies?
Yes.
Yes.
Will it do Rocky Mountain Race Week next year?
Hell no.
So it's not a street car.
Hell no.
So it's
Just
not
because
a
I don't want to
street
do it
car.
doesn't make it as not a street car.
Think it'll make it?
No, I don't think it'll make it. Are you serious? New valve body. Who this? Who this? For real.
I mean, it holds in first, it holds in second.
Yeah, holds first, holds second. It went through every gear, first, second, and third. It clicked every single gear, felt good. It actually like, think, you know. And yeah, went good. So with this valve body, one of the struggles that is happening is in order to reverse, I got to put it in reverse and then hit the trans brake button, and it starts backing up. Well, when you have to turn it and reverse, that seems to be an issue. But I just kept since the button turns on the button, like the cap, I just kept it on there, and it turned with it. So. That truck in the background over there, it looks like a C10 making some noise. So that's pretty much it. So loud, louder than my car. So that's it for now. We're gonna wrap up the video here. Big shout out to my boy Solomon and Josh for helping me out, getting not only providing the lift, but helping me replace the valve body on this thing. The Bullet is locked, loaded, ready for some testing. Now, take it home, finish up the wiring, and start looking for a test day. Maybe Friday. I'm trying to see if Solomon will come with me Friday to go test out. Now understand, this first test day, I'm basically testing myself because I don't know what the car's gonna do. We're gonna leave baby soft and start dialing in. As I get more comfortable with the car, we're gonna start adding more power. I'm eager, I'm ready. Let's go to work.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so happy.